Hi, my name is Radin and I'm a coach, a business coach with Action Coach, and I'm here to provide the testimonial on behalf of Dr. Harun and Dr. Vani, my Forex guru, on the achievements that I have actually succeeded in achieving in my 1 month of live trading. Now let me give you a little bit of a background as to what has been happening ever since I met Dr. Hari, and I have actually attended his preview classes and subsequently felt compelled to sign up for his trading class, and I invested my money into learning a little bit more about Forex and about trading. And after Dr. Hari told me, there's a few points that I like to highlight first about why I'm attracted to the Forex business. And number one is that Dr. Hari make it very, very simple for people to come into this business by providing us with the signals for us to buy. So we don't have to do analysis, we don't have to stay up until 2, 3 in the morning to look at the market. Dr. Hari have simplified this, and with his analysis tool, he just gives us very simple signal to buy and to sell and when to make profit. So life is very simple. So Forex is not complex after that. Secondly is that the investment amount that we needed to put in at the beginning was also very, very reasonable. So it wasn't like 10,000 US dollars, but it's actually something quite affordable, and it's around the range of around 3,000 US dollars only. And so that's the other thing. And I think the third thing that attracted me to this is that the program also come in with the tools. So it's not just a computer software for you to do your trading, but also Dr. Hari provided all of the traders with actually a mobile phone that has been customly selected to actually do your trading while you're on the go. So for busy executives like you who is attending meetings, traveling from one meeting place to another, having the trading phone and having the ability to trade anytime, anywhere is a bonus. So how do I feel about this Forex trading? I feel very, very excited. I feel about my participation in this. I'm always constantly learning new things about how to be a better trader, and I also feel that the process is very simple, and so I don't lose any sleep overnight. Even though my trades are not closed, eventually it will close, and all thanks to Dr. Hari and his signal. What do I expect to earn from this business? Well, based on what has been projected by Dr. Hari, I'll be a millionaire in between 5 to 10 years time. So I'm looking, it's a ringgit millionaire, by the way. So at this point in time, I'm on track to achieving that, because after 1 month of now it's about 6 weeks of trading, I've actually already earned 800 US dollars, and I feel very happy about that. And what we need to do is not to be greedy, but to be slow, steady, patient, and we'll get our reward. So how do I think this business has helped me? Well, I think I learned a little bit more about what financial trading is, money trading is all about. I'm a little bit more aware of the impact of economy and economic conditions and also politics on the currency and currency trading. So it has not just helped me make more money, but it has helped me to be a little bit more aware. And one more important thing is that it also helped me to teach my children about the value of investment. And I think that's important, that they see their parents investing, and so they are also thinking that one day they'll be like that. So what are my plans in the future for this? Well, it's not just my plan, it's also Dr. Hari's plan, and that is that there is a path for us to actually go through in terms of our trading. Within the 1 year, we'll make so much money, and in 3 years time, I just want to grow my capital to about from 3,000 US dollars now to about 20,000 US dollars, and from that point onwards, within a space of around 5 to 8 years, I'll be making my $1 million from there. and this will definitely help me earn throughout my retirement. So I don't really have to worry about where my source of income is going to come from when I retire, so that, because with the forex trading, I'm absolutely certain that that will basically provide me with more than what I need in my retirement days. So would I recommend this to my friends? Absolutely. And I've been recommending a lot of my friends, colleagues, and also business associates to everything that has been taught to me. It's not difficult to actually give the recommendation, because every time my phone buzzes and I grab my trading phone, people will be asking, what are you doing? So people will be interested to see what are the data that I'm entering, and why these graphs are going up and down and so on, and they're curious to know. And this alone is already a selling point. So I don't have to do a lot of selling. I just have to tell people, here's how much profit I'm making, and a lot of people are already asking, so how do I get the same thing as well? So yes, I recommend that if you are interested in earning really absolutely passive income, that you would consider Forex as a platform for you to actually earn more money. And what advice or words of wisdom do I have for you? Now, a couple of things. Number one is that I think Forex trading is not for everyone. My advice is that you need to have already got some form of savings or investment that you have already accumulated over the years. So you may have unit trust, you may have your fixed deposits, you may have already invested in real estate. And I think when you're doing that, then Forex trading is the logical next step for you to go into. So, and even when you already have all of the other forms of investment that I've mentioned earlier, when you go into Forex trading, it is not without risk. It is still very risky, and it still requires you to have lots and lots of discipline and lots of patience. So my advice to those people who may have already, who may think that they are ready to go into Forex, that to think again, that can you discipline yourself? Can you not overtrade? And I think that's one of the most important advice that Dr. Hari has always given us, that do not overtrade. You must continue to trade within the rules and condition that he has provided you. Don't be greedy. Don't let your emotion runs wild. Don't look at any other signals and any other tips other than the ones that Dr. Hari have provided and will be providing you. So it's simple, it's easy, it's guaranteed. I think that's the most important thing, it's guaranteed. But you have to have the patience to be able to trade safely, and by God's will, you will definitely achieve the goals and the dreams that you want. So if you're still hesitating and you still want to know more, there's other people who can also give you their testimonials. But I would highly recommend that you immediately go to the website that Dr. Hari is recommending, or pick up the phone and give him a call and attend his next preview immediately. Thank you very much.
A different city every night. Oh, I swear we're about to prepare for when I'm up.